What if I told you everything you have learned so far is kind of useless unless you learn this? I know, sounds a bit edgy, but stick around. Give me just 2 minutes and you will see exactly what I mean. Let's kick things off with the side view of skull. But hold on a second. Why even draw the skull? I mean, no one walks around with a floating skeleton on their shoulders. And you signed up to draw a head, not a horror movie poster. Fair question. But here's the deal. If you only know how to draw what's on the surface, you are just copying the shape. When you understand what's underneath, you are constructing faces with purpose and depth. Even Loomis said so. The skull is your cheat code to understand the head. Okay, let me show you what I mean. I'm starting with the same structure as the Loomis head. A circle, some guidelines. But this time we are not drawing the face. We are revealing what's beneath it. The cranium goes in first, then I carve in the negative shapes, areas we usually ignore. That's where the magic happens. Spooky? A little. Useful? Absolutely. And once you see how each skull curve matches up with the facial features, it's like flipping on X-ray vision. Still not convinced? Totally fair. Just give me 2 more minutes and I will show you the skull in 3/4 view. That's where it really clicks. We start the same way, a circle divided into thirds, just like the Loomis head. But now, instead of building the outer face, I am adding the skull features. I mark the ear hole, weirdly important. Then drop in the nose socket, the eye socket, and the brow. Now here's the cool part. I simplify the zygomatic bone into a boxy shape. I call it the goggle bone because it literally wraps around the face like a pair of goggles. Easy to remember, right? From there, the jawbone connects in. I keep it simple, more structure, less mass. And for the teeth, I break the area into third and sketch in a rough cylinder to place them. Boom, there's your 3/4 skull. Still following? Cool. Just 1 more minute and we will wrap this up with the front view. Same process. Divide the face into third. Find the jawline and chop off the extra. You will start to see the skull emerge from what used to be the Loomis head. Nose socket goes in, zygomatic bone again with the goggle shape. You know the drill by now. Now we are looking at the skull head on. I block in the teeth with another cylinder and drop in a few shadows and contour line to bring in the form to life. It's basic but clear, and that's all you need to understand how the skull holds everything together. So here's the takeaway. If you want to draw convincing heads, you need to understand the structure underneath. The skull isn't just anatomy, it's the foundation. Once you know it, everything else get easier. Shadings, angle, expressions, it all starts to click.